Welcome to PhysioCare Patient Management Software. This demo will guide you through setup and managing payroll module and process monthly salaries in the portal. Log in to the web portal of physiocarepms.com. In this video, we'll walk you through the payroll module, from admin setup to individual staff profiles and salary processing. Step 1. Enable the payroll feature. Navigate to the Members module. Click on Payroll module and go to the Setup section. Set the address. This will appear on employee payslips. You can update it anytime. Next, set the pay day, the default salary distribution day. Enable the attendance feature if you want to take attendance of every staff. This is covered in another video. Select working days. This configuration applies to all branches. That's it. The basic setup is now complete. Step 2. Salary Components Setup. Under the Salary Components section, you'll find predefined earnings and deduction components. These include basic salary, bonus, deductions, and more. You can add your own components as needed. These will be visible while configuring staff salaries and during monthly pay runs. Step 3. Enroll staff for payroll. Head over to the Employee section. Here, you'll see two lists. One is members enrolled in payroll and second is members yet to enroll. Enrolling all members is optional. Click Enroll next to a staff member to begin their payroll profile setup. Fill in the details where employment details is mandatory and payment details are optional. You can update it anytime. Employee ID is auto-generated but editable. Set the joining date, in case if you do not remember, enter like 1st April 2025 if you're starting this month. The designation is pre-filled from the user role but can be updated. Payment mode is optional but useful: cash, check, bank, UPI, etc. This will reflect on the payslip. Enable portal access if you want the staff member to view their payslips and details. Additional fields like PAN, bank details, IFSC, and internal remarks are optional and for internal use only. Click Save to complete the enrollment. Step 4. Set salary for the staff. After enrolling, click Complete Salary Details or navigate to the Salary Details tab. Click Revise Salary and enter. Base Fixed Salary. Additional components, if any. New component can be introduced by adding first in Setup, Salary Components. Click Save. Changes apply immediately means from the next pay run. You can view the salary revision history below. Repeat this process for all staff members you wish to include in the monthly payroll. If you manage multiple branches, you can assign a payroll profile to the respective branch. Step 5. Monthly pay run. Once the month is over, it's time to process salaries. Navigate to the Pay Run tab. The system automatically shows the upcoming month's payroll. Click Pay Run to calculate salaries. Want to make adjustments? Click View Details to modify earnings, bonuses, incentives. Add deductions, loss of pay, if any. Let's quickly add an example incentive and a loss of pay deduction. Click Save once done. Step 6. Salary Distribution. Click Show Payment Mode to view each employee's payment instructions. Transfer the salaries manually, then click Complete to finalize the pay run. Select the payment date and confirm to save data. Once confirmed, these details cannot be edited later. Employees with portal access will now be able to view their payslips. View past pay runs. Go to the History tab to see all previous months' payroll summaries. You can also process past months. For example, if you're starting in June but want to backfill April and May, you can select those months manually and complete the records. You can provide access to another person with the Manage_Payroll permission. This payroll process needs to be done for each branch separately. That's a complete overview of the payroll module for admins and staff in PhysioCare PMS. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you and see you on the portal.